Just got back from the gym and now I need to fuel those muscles up with something delicious, nutritious, and I want something that appeals to me. Yes, I would love to go for nachos right now. I want something that tastes great, but I have to remember I should probably make a better decision than that. Shouldn't I? It's hard, I'm telling you. So this is our chocolate, raspberry, almond butter, protein toast. Delicious, delicious, with one of the most delicious super berries protein plus smoothie. The macros are perfect. It's gonna make you feel great. It's light. You can look forward to this meal because it's gonna get you the gains you want, and it's absolutely delicious. And you're gonna get some results. Stick with us, we're gonna show you how to do it. Boom, now you're gonna get some serious results. Get those muscles healed up.
All right, guys, Andrew's craving nachos. I have more of a sweet tooth. So to combat that, we're gonna make this raspberry, chocolate, almond butter toast.
Whoa.
So first, you're going to use 3 to 4 tablespoons of cacao, which is a great alternative to anything chocolate. 1 to 2 tablespoons or a taste of stevia leaf powder. Truvia is also fantastic in this. And last but not least, you're going to add cacao nibs, which promote that feeling of fullness and give that crunchy texture we're looking for. Next, we're going to add all the ingredients to roughly 350 milliliters of almond butter. You can use peanut butter, but personal preference, almond butter.
And the smoothie always tastes so much better when you're drinking it out of an NW mug. So this is the Spelt bread, alternative to your old-fashioned white loaf zero nutrients bread. It's slightly higher in protein, it helps to regulate metabolism, aids in the creation of sex hormones, boosts overall digestive function, lowers blood sugar and cholesterol. That is a no-brainer.
Yeah, I was thinking Dairy Queen, but this just pulled me right back to reality. Top it all off with pumpkin seeds for added iron and protein.
Boom.
And chia seeds for amino acids. I'm gonna make a pretty big claim. I would rather eat this over any other of my guilty pleasures. In fact, this has become my guilty pleasure. It's so awesome to look forward to this and have it be a part of my daily routine.
Up next, we have the berry super smoothie, loaded with so many nutritious ingredients. Prepared with the toast is actually going to get you one of the most well-rounded, delicious meals. And you're going to fuel your body. You're going to avoid animal byproducts. You don't need them. And you're still going to feel great with this. You're going to hit all the boxes. And here we have a delicious vegan protein. We tend to stick to the vegan because if you have a vegan option, it's going to do the same thing. Why not?
Whey protein is actually acidic and difficult for the body to digest.
And we have the delicious moringa. It's been used in ancient medicine for thousands of years. Little added bonus. We throw the ginger in. We throw the 3-berry blend. We're going to put half a cup of those.
Complex carbs are going to help your body replenish energy as well as mend and micro damage to your muscles.
We're going to put 6 ice cubes, 2 scoops of protein, since it is 2 servings, 1 teaspoon of moringa. We're going to blast it up. And there you go. There's your 2 smoothies. Now presenting a fully balanced lunch!
That's right, guys. There's no better diet, there's no better technique than simply getting an even amount of carbs, fat, and protein. And that's how you're going to get results.
Meal has the highest regarded seal of approval of all. My seal of approval.
What's that over there? It kind of looks like nachos? Sent from heaven. I'll just take these over here.
Hey babe, have you seen my nachos anywhere? No. I thought you had more of a sweet tooth.
Namaste, lean.